Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to activate a game key on Ubisoft Connect. First, open your browser and search for Ubisoft Connect download. Click on the official Ubisoft website. On the page, look for the Download for PC button in the top right corner and click it. The installer will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, go to the folder where the installer was saved. Double-click on the Ubisoft Connect setup file, follow the on-screen steps, and install the program. Now open Ubisoft Connect. Wait for the login window to appear. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If not, click Create a new account. Fill in your username, email, password, and date of birth. When you are done, click Continue to finish creating your account. After logging in, you will be on the main Ubisoft Connect screen. To activate your key, look at the top left corner and click on the menu icon. From the drop-down, select Activate a Key. A new window will open where you can type your activation code. Make sure you enter the key exactly as it appears, including the dashes after every 4 characters. Once entered, click Activate. If you see an error saying the code is invalid, double-check it carefully. Correct it if needed, and try again. When your key is accepted, go to the Games section at the top. You will see your new game listed under My Games. Click on the game, choose Download, and wait for it to finish. After the download is done, the button will change to Play, and that's it. Thanks for watching.